We're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We're going to take you on a drive down Ocean Boulevard, also known as the Main Strip and Hotel Row. Hi, I'm Carmen. If you're new here and you enjoy Myrtle Beach videos and travel tips, be sure to subscribe and click the bell so you won't miss anything new. If you're not familiar, this week is the first week of October is the fall bike rally for this year. And so we may see some bikes while we're driving down Ocean Boulevard. I haven't seen any so far. And a lot of you always want to know what time of day this is filmed at. It is filmed at 11:30 a.m. It's a beautiful day today. It's a little breezy, but it is great weather. I think the high is going to be in the 70s. It's in the 60s right now. Sunny, beautiful day here at Myrtle Beach. We have moved into sort of the off season. I always consider September and October to be in between the busy summer season, and what I would call true off season to me is after October. And I think the city of Myrtle Beach agrees with me because they keep charging for parking until the end of October, and then they pull the meters after that. So that's a tip if you don't know that. And there's a putt-putt course over here. But beautiful, beautiful day today. Full sunshine, perfect fall day. Fall's actually my favorite time here. It's just beautiful weather, low crowds. I did see an article mentioning that they did have, there's a bike, a little bit lower turnout to the bike rally this fall, but still, you know, people have come out for it. There also seems to be a lot of people still here vacationing. I don't know if it's more this year. There's more bikes over there. More this year because of the situation and, you know, not traditional schools in a lot of places. Because like right there I see kids, you know, that would normally be in school. So this is not your standard vacation time, especially if you've got school-age kids, but I think this year's a little different for everyone. Now we're coming up on the what used to be Breakers Tower. Now they're doing a new construction. They're building a Marriott. You see that crane up there. We'll get a closer view in a minute. Marriott Spring Hill Suites, and I believe Courtyard Combination. And the sign on the front said coming 2022, so it's a ways off, but they are constantly working on it. I mean, they're really putting it up what feels like pretty fast. Yep, coming 2022. And there's the Breakers right next to it. It's interesting, there's almost more traffic today than we've seen, you know, during the busy summertime. Also, there's people going in to eat there and some people eating outside. I just saw an article that they said the South Carolina governor is going to lift the restrictions for 50% capacity on restaurants so they can just go back to full capacity, and also remove the requirement for the tables to be spaced more than 6 feet apart. Leave us a comment and let us know what you think about that. They didn't give a date for it, but they said soon. So let us know what you think about that. He did say he still encourages eating outside, but in Myrtle Beach, most of the year you could eat outside. We have great weather most of the year. January and February are pretty chilly, but the rest of the year is definitely, like today would be a perfect day to eat outside. Beautiful, beautiful day to eat outside. Also, if you have not kept up with the news, Myrtle Beach did renew their mask ordinance for another 30 days till the end of October. They keep renewing it 30 days at a time. They mentioned that it had helped with the numbers here, so that's why they decided to renew it. And I would expect they'll probably keep doing that, but we'll see. With, like I said, with the official tourist season ending at the end of October, I don't know if they'll continue it after that or not. Wow, packed house here at, I believe this is the beach house. Yep. They are very busy today. And the Skywheel is going. Lots of activity. So we're now up, if you're not familiar with Myrtle Beach, right here at the Skywheel is the main boardwalk area for Myrtle Beach. Great view of the Skywheel. And so we've got the Gay Dolphin coming up, which is a landmark gift shop. They've been here forever. It's huge. It's multi-story gift shop. Here's Plyler Park right over here, where you see that person on the bike, and they've got that great dolphin statue. Then you have a lot of entertainment running right along here. You've got Ripley's Mirror Maze, Ripley's Believe It or Not, Ripley's 5D Experience, and Ripley's Haunted Adventure. And then there's 2 arcades over on this side of the road, and those are oceanfront. The boardwalk's right on the other side of that. So lots and lots to do, lots of gift shops here, lots of little restaurants and places to eat. There's some oceanfront eating, like down here Peach's Corner. They have oceanfront seating. So tons to do in this area, and there's a fairly large parking deck near here. So if you want to come here, there's almost always parking to be found either street side or in the parking deck. So that is Ripley's Believe It or Not right over there. Got some gift shops. There's some more bikes. Here are the volleyball courts, and so you can see the ocean. You can see, cut across, Brian's our driver today. Thanks, Brian. Cut across over here so you get a better view of that. And we've got some bikes here. Yep, seeing more and more bikes as we keep going. This is such a great time of the year to visit, though. If you can come, I know not everyone can come this time of the year, but if you can, this is a great time. Less people, great weather, wonderful weather. I love the weather this time of the year. It's perfect. It's still warm and comfortable most days. It's definitely breezy today. The ocean looks pretty rough today, and there's a lot of wind. Even though the sky is clear, it's a windy day today. Sharkies. Another sign that the attendance of the fall bike rally is a little lower. They didn't change any of the traffic patterns on Ocean Boulevard. Usually they will block the northbound lane if it's going to be really, really crowded, and they did not do that for this rally, so that sort of also supports the fact that there are fewer bikers enjoying the rally this fall. You just saw that bicyclists go by. There are bike lanes on Ocean Boulevard all the way up and down on both sides, so if you're into biking, it's a really great area to enjoy a bike ride. And as you're going by, you can see the ocean. It's a little harder to see when you're in the car, but if you're bicycling, it's pretty easy. And so it's a neat road to take a bike ride on, either bicycle or motorbike. It's a great road for that. Plus the speed limit's really slow. It's 25. There's the Wicked Tuna Restaurant, and that's the 2nd Avenue Pier. Definitely seeing more vacancy signs too. For a while we were seeing a lot of no vacancy signs, but definitely most of these hotels have vacancy signs now. When's your next trip planned to Myrtle Beach? Leave us a comment and let us know. And also, if you enjoy these Ocean Boulevard drives, give us a thumbs up so that we know you enjoy these videos. It helps us know what to plan for next. There's a general grocery store, which actually looks more like a gift shop. There must be a bike behind us. I hear a bike. Yep, Brian confirmed he can see in the rearview mirror. Now this water park up here on the left never did open this season, and I believe it's owned by over here the Family Kingdom, and Family Kingdom did open though. They had to close briefly due to hurricane that came through in August, but they are back open, and they even say now hiring on their sign just then. So if you're looking for work, looks like they're hiring. There's their flume ride. They do have different hours this year, so definitely check their website if you're heading to Family Kingdom. There's Friendlies. Yeah, good amount of people here for sure, even though it's not packed. Definitely lots of activity. Captain's quarters, Polynesian, Ocean Plaza. There's a bike. Wow, what a bike. Yeah, it's definitely still a good amount of people for this time of the year. We try to spend as much time here in the fall as we can. It's just so nice. There's the Sea Mist, Munchie's Pizzeria. Here's the landmarks over the road breezeway. Lots of these resorts have been here even since I was a child. Obviously a lot are newer as well. There are some definite icons here in Myrtle Beach that have been here for a very long time. It's both changed a lot and stayed the same. I had someone leave a comment and they said, why do the beach towns, sort of get stuck in time? And I think it's because these, older resorts still do really good business. So why would you sell if you're still doing well? I think that makes perfect sense to me. And I like some of the retro nostalgia and the memories from childhood. I think it's fun. Also, I mentioned this in a recent video, but in case you didn't see that video, we are going to be doing a Q&A for questions about Myrtle Beach. So if you have a question you would like to ask us about Myrtle Beach, leave us a comment below with your question, but also specify that you would like it answered in the video. Otherwise, I will just answer it in the comments below. But if you would like it answered in our upcoming video, it'll be out in a few weeks, let me know. But if you have a time-sensitive question, it'd probably be better for me to answer it in the comments because it's still going to be probably a few weeks before the Q&A video comes out. One thing I love here is all the palm trees. I never get tired of seeing palm trees. I love them. And there are plenty of palm trees, and they're even on the state flag. There's one on the state flag with a crescent moon. Look over here and see if we can see the ocean. There we go. Beautiful. It's definitely rough today. As always, it's a little more relaxed down here at the south end. And I did a video of walking, so I would have been walking right over on the beach, right over on this side. I will link that video above and also in the description below, so you can click on that if you'd like to see what the beach side looks like. It was a fun walking. I haven't been down here in a while, and it was really fun walking on the beach down at this end. It's different. It looks different than more towards the north end. There's Damon's Oceanfront Dining there. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.